feel so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I got my room looking from this to this, then keep watching. So guys, I kicked the kids out of my room. I've put them in your own room, so I thought I would do something nice to my room because it looks so boring. So I went on eBay and I bought this bedside cabinet. It's actually two in there for £55, which I think is really reasonable. And then I went to Home Bargain and I got this beautiful mirror for £10.99. Guys, £10.99. like, it's so cheap, but it's so nice. Like, it makes the room look really good. So I also bought some organizing basket thing from Home Bargain. This actually cost £5 and there's 3 in there, and I just used it to organize like my body cream and body spray and stuff like that, just for that bit to look a bit neat. And then I went to the range and I bought these mirrors. I bought this for £5.99, so this little tiny mirror. I bought 2 of them. I'll show you where I put the other pack. You know, the wall was looking really plain, so I thought I'll do something nice to it. So yeah, this kind of made the wall look a bit more glam and yeah, nice and cute. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, it's so cute. Like, I really like it. I like the whole gold design and everything. And also I just used this storage box. I had that in my living room, so I decided to bring that in my bedroom, and I just used the white fluffy blanket to cover it, just for it to look a bit more stylish. I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. I bought this beautiful bedside lamp from B&M. Yeah, sorry, I forgot where I got it from. I bought it for B&M. They were £18 each, and they're so nice, guys. Like, that's one of my favorite things that I've bought in the house. And yeah, let me show you guys how it looks now. Can you see that? It looks so cute compared to how it looked in the beginning. Like, you can tell that my room is looking really good. Yeah, so this is the other pack of the mirrors that I bought from the range. So I'm putting that on the other side of the wall, but this time I'm putting it straight rather than, oh, I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. I'm putting it in a different angle. So yeah, this is how the room looks so far. So the last touch is this beautiful bedspread that I bought from Amazon. I bought it for £45, I believe. Like, it's so nice and comfy. I don't know, guys, but I don't really like duvets. I prefer to use bedspread. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, whether you guys prefer to use duvet covers or bedspread. I feel like bedspread is so nice. It keeps you warm in the winter and cool in the summer, but with duvet it's a bit too thick, and yeah, it gets to my nerves sometimes. So yeah, I always buy bedspreads, and this one is just so nice and cozy. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay that on the bed. Ignore my pink sheet. I'm still really girly. I still have pink bed sheets and stuff like that. So yeah, just ignore that. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that on the bed and just dress up the bed, and I'll let you guys see how it looks at the end. Guys, let me show you how my bedspread feels. It feels so comfy. Like, it's so nice. And I got these cushions. The white ones, I got it from Amazon for £11 each, and I got the grey ones from the range for £7.99 each. And it brings like a kind of cute glam touch to the bedroom. Like, as you can see, it looks so good. Like, I'm so happy with what I've done to the room. Like, I feel like I've made it more like my room now that the kids are in their own room. Like, I can make it like, you know, make it like more adult-y for me, if that makes sense. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with all your friends and family. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.